Shalom friends, I'm Brother Ike and I'm going to update about our progress in the construction of our Torah Bible School. And here's the road going to the Torah study hall. Here are the materials. These are all made of steel and iron. We cannot compromise the strength of our two-story building. So we bought a lot of materials here. So more are coming next week. Uh, so it's already rainy season and the road has been damaged. So we need to also build this road by the end of the month. It has to be built. So this is going to our garden, our vegetable garden there uphill. So the trusses are going to be reinforced next week. People are working full time. So here's the main hole. That's my old house there. And here are the materials used. Okay. We're also going to build an oven for our women to cook bread. So what happened here is we reinforce all the wooden structures will be removed and reinforced with solid steel. This now is a solid steel, immovable solid steel. So what the simple building they have planned is going to improve a lot of strength. So we put a cross beam here. So right now they're putting cement on one of the posts. Here's the beam, cross beam. So we're going to pour out cement. Here's the solid steel we reinforce. So nine posts. All the wooden posts has been replaced with solid steel. This is a spiral leading to the second floor. So by next week we're going to half of the second floor has been already established. So this one, the wooden floor has been replaced, will be replaced with steel. So this building will be like 90% steel to make it earthquake proof. So that's the price you pay for. So now we're putting beams. This is an extension of the building. So that's my old house. So some of them are working on the drainage because it's already rainy season. So some guys are working on the drainage. This one is look uphill. So there's a flower tree or plant, or vegetable plants. Praise Abba Elohim. Thank you so much to those who supported us financially. Your good deeds have been written, I believe, in the book of remembrance, according to Malachi 3:16. Your deeds are written, and it's always hard to start, especially the Torah, but in the middle, it's going to be all worth it. Our plan is to recruit students from all over the Philippines and let them come over to study here Torah full time. So we're going to request our friends, teachers from America, from Canada, and just the best teachers. We want the best teachers to help us, at least online teaching. I myself is enrolling in Israel Bible Center in a Bible school in Jerusalem online. So I'll use our curriculum to improve our lessons. So friends, thank you so much. For those who donate, please do so. We want to being led to donate to